You know that feeling when you step into a space and instantly forget how small it actually is? When design, comfort, and craftsmanship blend so seamlessly. It feels more like stepping into a luxury suite than an RV? The 2026 Entegra Odyssey 22EF exemplifies the concept of big luxury without the need for a large package. Today on Luxury RV Explorer, we're stepping inside one of the most beautifully refined small Class C motorhomes of the year, and trust me, what Entegra has done here might just change the way you look at compact RVs forever. From the very first glance, the Odyssey 22EF commands attention. That bold Entegra front cap design, the signature blacked-out grille, and the seamless fiberglass exterior, it all feels premium, confident, and modern. Built on the Ford E450 chassis, this rig carries serious stability and strength. It's compact enough to handle effortlessly on winding back roads or crowded campsites, but solid enough to make every drive feel composed and quiet. And when the sunlight hits that automotive-grade paint finish, it doesn't just look good, it shines with a confidence that says this isn't just another RV, this is Entegra. Step inside, and you immediately forget you're in a 24-foot motorhome. The interior design feels calm, upscale, and refreshingly open. Light-toned cabinetry, subtle LED ambient lighting, and those soft leatherette furnishings, they all work together to create a vibe that's more boutique hotel suite than RV interior. The 2026 model year brings updated finishes, cleaner lines, improved lighting integration, and a more natural wood grain texture that looks and feels genuinely premium. It's quiet, peaceful, balanced. A space that feels like it was made for you, not just for travel, but for living well on the road. The living area is compact, yet it never feels tight. The Dream Dinette setup easily transforms from a cozy dining space to an extra sleeping area when needed. And the seating, plush, supportive, and wrapped in high-grade materials, makes long evenings feel effortless. Look up, and you'll notice Entegra's signature one-piece seamless ceiling, no gaps, no rattles, no cheap plastics. Just smooth continuity, paired with beautifully integrated LED lighting that gives the whole cabin a soft, ambient glow at night. And yes, every detail you touch, from the cabinet handles to the window trims, whispers that quiet kind of luxury that never needs to shout. Now, here's where Entegra truly flexes its design philosophy, luxury through simplicity. The kitchen feels thoughtfully designed, not forced. You get a solid surface countertop, a deep stainless sink, and that flush-mounted 2-burner cooktop perfectly framed with glass covers for added prep space. Overhead, there's plenty of storage, finished in high-gloss wood tones that reflect the lighting beautifully. And below, drawers that glide silently, with solid metal hardware that feels built to last. The microwave, 3-way refrigerator, and subtle backsplash detailing round it all out. It's not flashy. It's sophisticated, just the right amount of everything. As you move toward the rear, the layout flows naturally into what feels like a true mini sanctuary, the bedroom. The queen-size bed sits perfectly aligned to maximize space, surrounded by panoramic windows that bathe the area in light. The soft-touch headboard and ambient reading lights add to that high-end hotel vibe. What stands out most, though, is how quiet it feels back here. Thanks to Entegra's advanced insulation and the one-piece seamless roof structure, you can literally hear the difference, or rather, the peaceful silence. There's also generous wardrobe storage, built-in charging ports, and thoughtful lighting that adjusts to your mood, bright for mornings and soft and golden for nights in. This isn't just a bed in an RV. It's a retreat, your personal corner of calm after a long day of adventure. The bathroom continues the same theme, luxury without clutter. A full stand-up shower with skylight, a foot-flush porcelain toilet, and a sleek vanity setup with real storage space, rare in this size of motorhome. Even here, materials feel premium. The walls are solid, the fittings are metallic, and everything feels integrated, not like an afterthought. It's that attention to the little things that sets the 22EF apart. And of course, it's not just beautiful when parked. Behind the wheel, the 22EF shines. That Ford E450 V8 powertrain gives you smooth acceleration and confident towing ability. The ride quality is elevated by Entegra's Easy Drive Elite package, featuring premium suspension components that reduce road noise and vibration dramatically. You feel planted, safe, and relaxed even after hours of driving. It's the kind of quiet confidence you only get from a brand that's mastered the art of ride comfort. So what makes the 2026 Entegra Odyssey 22EF truly special? It's not about being the biggest or the flashiest. It's about refinement in every inch, a masterclass in how thoughtful design can make a small space feel effortlessly luxurious. From its elegant lighting to its perfectly balanced layout. From its whisper-quiet cabin to its high-end textures. Everything here reminds you that luxury isn't measured in length, it's measured in how a space makes you feel. And this one? Feels incredible. So, what do you think? Does the 2026 Entegra Odyssey 22EF redefine what a compact luxury RV should be? Would you choose this over a larger Class C or even a small Class A? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love to hear how you'd use this space on your adventures. If you enjoyed this cinematic walkthrough, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more luxury RV tours coming your way every week, right here on Luxury RV Explorer. Because here, we don't just explore RVs, we explore the lifestyle of traveling beautifully.